We're at LEGOLAND California, and my daughter and I are about to ride Skipper School for the very first time. This is a boat ride where you actually drive the boat yourself. Riders must be at least 34 inches tall to ride this ride, and riders between 34 inches and 48 inches tall must be accompanied by a responsible rider at least 48 inches tall and 14 years old. I hope you don't get stuck.
You are going to be my assistant.
Okay. There's a pedal to make it go. Okay, please remain seated.
Green pedal will be your gas along with your steering. Just make sure to keep all arms, legs, and valuables to the side of the boat at all times.
Okay. You gonna steer it?
Yeah.
Okay. You gonna make us go?
Yeah.
Okay.
Don't worry. I'm a great driver.
You're a great driver? Alright, let's see if you can drive the Lego boat. I'll help you if you need help.
I don't.
Woo. You wanna steer it this way?
I can do it. I can do it.
Okay, which path do we want to go on? Okay, and then we kind of need to even it out so we don't keep bumping. Maybe we go on this one since they're going on that one.
I want to do this.
Let's do this one. We'll be in the middle by like the crocodile and stuff.
Hey, you stay on that and I'll stay on this one. Hey, you hold there.
Okay, try to even it out.
Even. Don't worry, I can
And then
do
turn it
I
back a
can
little
do
bit. Turn it back a little bit so it doesn't go into that wall. We're gonna hit the wall.
It's okay. You do it.
Okay.
I think you're too heavy in there.
Want me to sit more in the middle? No, I'll sit more in the middle. Maybe that'll help. Okay, now we want to go this way. Turn it, turn it. Okay, now even it out. Turn it like back this way so it like wants to go straight. I want it to go straight. And then try
I can do it. I can do it.
You want it to like go straight.
I can do it. I can do it.
It doesn't have to go all the way one direction to the other. Just like have it like straight. Okay, good job. Good job. Now we're gonna want it to turn this way.
This way.
Oh, there's a little turtle over there with a book. You're doing a great job steering the boat. Okay. Yep, here we go.
Don't worry, I'm doing it.
You're a very good driver. Yep, turn it all the way. Good job. I'm just gonna bump into everything.
Your hands in the boat.
Now turn it back this way.
No, you.
Molly, come on, I'm trying. Instead of crashing into things.
You are the people who are doing.
Turn it this way. Turn it this way.
Who are riding.
Look at the dolphins! Isn't this cute? Look at the dolphins, Molly, over there.
I can't.
See the dolphins?
Yes.
Okay, now even it out. And then go back the other way. Okay, turn it this way. Good job. It's going straight now. Every time we're done with the ride, we'll know how to steer it.
Ball
Why are the lighthouse people singing?
Why are the what?
Lighthouse people singing.
I don't know. They're happy. Look at the little penguins. Are the penguins cute?
Yeah.
I think we made this bumper boost. But we didn't bump into any boats. That's why they have this wood here, so you can't get out of line. I'm really proud of you. You're doing great.
Well, I'm only the person who drives the boat.
You're doing your job? Thank you for the boat ride.
You're welcome.
You should get like a skipper license after this. Paddle. Oh, we want to turn it this way so we go back to the dock. The boat dock.
We're going to the boat dock.
Okay, turn it back the other way. One bump at a time will make it there. Okay, we're gonna make it.
Don't worry, I can do it. I'm doing my job.
You're doing your job. Okay, come on. All the way back. You can do it. Keep it straight. Keep it straight. Other way. There you go. Stop turning it. Stop turning it. Okay. You were good. Look straight. Good job. High five.
Alright, welcome back. You guys can go ahead and exit over here. Watch this step. If you guys need a hand, I can always help out.
Thank you.
There you go. Have a nice day, guys.
Thank you. All right, that was fun. We hadn't done that ride before. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and ring the bell so you're notified about upcoming videos about Legoland California and other fun places worth visiting in Southern California and beyond. See you next time.